Lindner is a family company founded in 1948. So Manuel Lindner, our current owner, is now third generation of the family. It was always a machinery company, so we always produced machinery. We started with the wood industry, especially equipment for the timber industry, and for those customers we produced, beside saws and handling equipment, also the first shredders to reduce wood waste so that it can be burned efficiently. And basically from that we applied the shredding technology to the waste segment. That was in the early 2000s. It started in Austria and Germany when there was a landfill ban. The government decided that long term we need to stop landfilling the waste, and we need to prepare the waste and bring it back to, let's say, a circular economy. At that time it was not called as such, but it was the starting of the circular economy basically. So we applied the shredding technology to the waste industry, and that was, let's say, our growth path through the last 20 years. Yeah, we have three reasons celebrating today. So the first celebration and reason is the 75 years anniversary we are very proud of. So as I said already, third generation family business, and that's also a little bit a part of our long-term strategy. We don't aim for short-term operational profit optimization. We always look for the long-term sustainability and profitability of the company. The second reason is 10 years of Washtech. This is part of our, let's say, success in the waste industry. We started with shredders in the plastic recycling area and then expanded our business activities in providing systems, especially washing systems, to prepare the waste proper for the extrusion process. And the third reason is the inauguration of this new factory. The reason why we built this factory was that based on the growth the company had in the last years, we came to our limitations on our old space, and we decided to make a new plant with very modern technology so that we can competitively produce here in the center of Europe. So the strategy of our company is that we are focusing on certain market niches, but in those niches we want to be a leading company. Leading company means that we are number 1, 2 or 3 in the market. So, and we have this position currently in the RDF, SRF production of waste recycling. We are having this position in the plastics recycling and also in the mobile field. It started everything in middle of Europe, and Europe is still our most important market. But I have to say already 50% of our turnover is generated overseas. So basically mainly in the US, Latin America, but also increasingly in Asia.